In the snowy village of Hollyvale, nestled in a valley surrounded by frosted pine forests, the Festival of the Snowflake was the most anticipated event of the year. Every Christmas Eve, the villagers gathered in the town square to celebrate with music, laughter, and the crowning moment, placing the magical snowflake atop the grand Christmas tree. The snowflake, a shimmering ornament said to be blessed by the North Star, was believed to bring joy and harmony to all. This year, 10-year-old Clara, a kind-hearted girl, was chosen to place the snowflake on the tree. Clara had dreamed of this moment for years. Holding the glowing ornament in her mittened hands, she felt its gentle warmth. "Remember, Clara," her mother said, "Christmas magic shines brightest when shared with love." As Clara climbed the ladder, a sudden gust of wind swept through the square, tugging at her scarf. Before she could react, the snowflake slipped from her grasp. Time seemed to slow as it tumbled through the air, its light flickering, before disappearing into the snowy night. The crowd gasped. Clara descended the ladder, her eyes brimming with tears. "I'm so sorry," she whispered. "Don't lose hope, dear," said old Mr. Whitaker, the village storyteller. "Christmas magic has a way of finding its way back." That night, unable to sleep, Clara saw a faint, silvery glow coming from the forest. Wrapping herself in her warmest coat, she ventured into the snowy woods. To her amazement, she found the snowflake perched on a low branch, glowing brighter than ever. It seemed alive, its light dancing with the falling snow. "Why did you leave?" Clara whispered. The snowflake didn't speak, but Clara felt its answer: Christmas wasn't about perfection, but love and togetherness. Smiling, Clara retrieved the snowflake and hurried back to the square. The village was quiet, the tree standing tall under the stars. Clara climbed the ladder again and placed the snowflake atop the tree. Its glow spread across the square, filling every home with warmth and joy. The next morning, the villagers awoke to find the tree bathed in magical light. They gathered in awe, their laughter and joy filling the square. Clara stood quietly, her heart full as she watched the magic unfold. From that Christmas onward, the Festival of the Snowflake wasn't just about the ornament but the love and kindness it inspired in everyone. And Clara carried with her the lesson of the snowflake: the brightest magic is the one shared with others.